Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Smule subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, there's a few different ways to do this, so depending what your device you're on. So if you're on an iOS device, what you want to do is open up settings, and then from there, tap on your name. So at the top, tap your name to access the Apple ID settings. Tap subscriptions to view your current active subscriptions, and find Smule in the list and tap on it. Tap cancel subscription and then follow the prompts to confirm. And for Android device users, I can show you this. Go to your Play Store, and now you want to click on your profile icon, which is located top right hand corner of your screen. Click on payments and subscriptions. Click on subscriptions, and now find your Smule subscription in the list of current active Smule subscriptions, and then click cancel. And now via the Smule app on your phone, so make sure to open it and then log in, and then you want to go to account settings inside Smule, so access the account settings within the app, and then find the subscription management option and select cancel subscription. Ensure you've received a confirmation or notification to verify that your subscription has been successfully cancelled.